In today's recipe, I'll be showing you 3 avocado toast recipes that are going to turn out crispy, creamy, delicious, and very healthy. I absolutely love avocado because it's quite healthy. It has lots of nutrients, vitamin A, C, and E, fiber, and healthy fat. That means that avocado is just the fruit for you. I have all the ingredients for my 3 avocado toast recipes, and as you can see, the ingredients are quite simple. I'll start off by picking 1 avocado, then I'm going to slice in the middle just like this, twist, and this is how my avocado is looking on the inside. It looks so good. So I'm going to transfer the flesh into a bowl. Using a knife, I'm going to remove the pit of my avocado and transfer to the bowl as well. Avocados are not in season, so I'm quite lucky to have such amazing avocados. So I'm going to squeeze in a teaspoon of lemon juice into the avocado. This is going to stop the avocados from browning. Add in some salt to season, then using a fork, I'm going to mash my avocado. And it's going to be very easy because the avocados are ripe. Make sure to add in enough salt to fully season your avocados, and once done, you're going to place aside and pick a chopping board. And then we are going to be making our first avocado toast, which is going to be very easy. You'll place a small frying pan over medium heat, and then you'll pick your bread. And I have my white bread over here, which I'm going to be using for this recipe. And I have 3 slices of bread. I'll pick 1 slice of bread, then I'll spread in some margarine. You can also spread in some softened butter, and then I'm going to transfer to my pan. After 30 seconds, I'm going to lift up the bread, check if it's ready, and if it's not ready, you're going to toast your bread until it's well toasted. Gorgeous. Flip, then you're going to toast the other side for around 30 seconds. Place in my next toast. You can use any bread variety that you have in your house, whether it's brown bread or white bread. When you notice that your pan is too hot, reduce the flames to low so that you can toast your bread. My bread is ready and it's looking so gorgeous, so I'm going to transfer to a plate, put out the flames so that I can assemble my first toast. For my first avocado toast, I'll add in some avocado which I've already prepped up. And because we have added in a little bit of lemon, it has not oxidized. So using a spoon, I'm going to scoop out some avocado and place on my toast. Scoop out a generous amount of your avocado. And my first avocado toast is ready, and as you can see, I have a generous amount of avocado which is well seasoned. So straight to my second recipe, I'm going to pick some tomato. So using a sharp knife, I'm going to cut into rings just like this. I'm going to be using half of the tomato. Place aside, pick my bread, place it on my chopping board. Next, you're going to pick your avocado and add in a generous amount to the toast as well. And once done, you're going to place your sliced tomato on top. And when done, it's going to be looking so gorgeous. So you're going to sprinkle in with some salt to season your tomatoes on top. Just a tiny bit of salt. And my second toast is ready, so I'm going to transfer to my plate. And for my last avocado toast, I'm going to be making some scrambled eggs, and I have 2 free-range eggs over here. So I'm going to crack into my small bowl. And then I'm going to use the same pan that I used to toast my bread over medium high flame. Add in a teaspoon of cooking oil. Add in some salt and black pepper. And once the pan is hot, I'm going to transfer in my eggs. Reduce the flames to low. Then I'm going to slowly scramble my eggs as they are cooking. You'll cook your eggs to your own preference. I love mine well cooked. And once the eggs are cooked, I'm going to put out the flames, and then I'm going to pick my toast, which is looking so gorgeous. Add in some avocado. When you toast your bread, the avocado toast are not going to turn out soggy because the bread is crispy. So I've added in a generous amount. So next I'm going to pick my eggs and place on top of the toast. And the eggs smell absolutely amazing. And there you go, guys. I have 3 avocado toast recipes that look absolutely amazing. So I'm going to clear my space so that we can check how awesome the toasts are looking. When done making your avocado toast, they're going to be looking so gorgeous. I have my tomato avocado toast that is looking so gorgeous because we have some red color from the tomatoes, and the tomatoes are salted. That means that the whole toast is going to be so delicious. And for my second toast, I have some scrambled eggs avocado toast, which is looking so good and pretty because we have some yellow color from the eggs. And for my final toast, I have some avocado toast, which is looking so gorgeous. And I added in a little bit of cayenne powder to jazz up the toast. So these 3 recipes are very easy and they take less than 2 minutes to assemble. So I hope you'll be giving these recipes a try.